Hello everyone, welcome back to Lim Songsening channel. Today I want to discuss about the AS level math with code 9709S14QT11. I hope this channel can help all of you in practicing. I hope all of you good luck in the exam, everyone. So let us start from number one. So we can see that we have a graph of the trigonometry a plus b sine x. So first, we have to know what is A, what is B. So the A, as we can see, this is usually we call it is the midline, mid of graph. To find the A mid of graph, we only have to use this, the maximum and the minimum here. This we have maximum, it is 3, and then we plus it with the minimum minus 1 divided by 2. So we shall get it is 1 here. So the A, it will be 1. And then for the second one, the B, it is what we call it amplitude. Amplitude. This amplitude, we measure it from the middle of the graph to the maximum or minimum. Here we can see from the mid graph, it increased by 2 to the maximum. So the B will become 2. So that is for number one. Okay, now for number two, it asks us to make this equation to become in the form of this. As we can see, this is about the completing the square. So to make the completing the square, this 4x squared minus 12x, we have to make the x squared coefficient become 1. So we put it out 4. So this will become x squared minus 3x. And then we see that this minus 3, the coefficient of the x, we divide it by 2. So we get 4x minus 3 over 2 square minus with this number 4 times minus 3 over 2 square. So here, because we need to make it become 2x, so this 4 I make it become 2 square, x minus 3 over 2 square, and this minus 4 times 9 over 4. These 2 square and then x minus 3 over 2 square, it can be combined, so it will become 2x minus 3 over 2 square, and this can cancel, drop minus 9. And then I expand these 2 inside, so it becomes 2x minus 3 square minus 9. So we can get a equals to minus 3, b equals to minus 9. For the second one, it says that find the set of value of x satisfying 4x squared minus 12x bigger than 7. So this 4x squared minus 12x bigger than 7. I move the 7 to there, so you will get 4x squared minus 12x minus 7 bigger than 0. So I factorize it. So let me see. So we can factorize it. This is 2, 2, 7, 1, 7, 2, minus. Okay. So 2x minus 7, 2x plus 1 bigger than 0. So we have x about 7 over 2, and then we have another is x equals to minus half. But remember, this is inequality, so we have to make the number line minus half and 7 over 2 here. I try to use the number of 0 here. I want to check this 0 is included or not. So I put it into here, this, the x. So I got 4 times 0 square minus 12 and 0 bigger than 7. I got 0 bigger than 7. So this statement is wrong. So the number of 0 is not included. So this array is not included. If this array is not included, so this one will be the correct one, and this one will be the correct one. So the x must be smaller than minus half, and x bigger than 7/2. That's for the number 2, the second one. Now I shall go to number 3. Number 3, find the term independent of x. So if it say independent of x, it means it asks you to find the x, the coefficient of the x to the power of 0. Because some students, they are confused with the word independent. So I just say to them, it asks you to find the x to the power of 0. This is about the binomial expansion. Binomial expansion, remember, when we have a minus b to the power of n, it is ncr times a to the power of r and minus b to the power of n minus r. So we have the n, it is 8. So 8 combination, the r, we just leave it first. And then this is 4x to the power of 3 times, we have 1 over 2x to the power of 1. So we have to make the combination. How much the power that, so we can get the x to the power of 0. So if I see, we can use 5, 2, 3, 5, 2, 5, 4, 6, 2. So this is 6, 2, this is 6. If you are getting difficult, you can try to just put it x to the power of 3 first. No need the coefficient. 1 over x. You can try how to get x to the power of 0. It will be 2 and 6. So this I use 8 combination 2. So we shall get already xc2. This is 16x to the power of 6 times 1 over 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6, it will be 64. 64 times x to the power of 6. So this one cancel. We shall get xc2 times 16 over 64. So it will be is 7. Okay, that is for number 3. For number 4, a curve has an equation y equals to 4 over 3x plus 1 squared. Find the equation of the tangent to the curve to point where the line x equals to minus 1 intersection with the curve. Let's see. So first, what we have to do first is, when it says is the tangent, we have to find what first? The gradient. So dy over dx. So let me put this first. Y equals to 4 times 3x plus 1 or minus 2. So this is chain rule. So we use chain rule. It is 4 times minus 2, 3x plus 1. So the power decreased by 1 level become minus 3 times with, we differentiate inside the bracket 3x plus 1. So times 3. So we have minus 24 times 3x plus 1 or minus 3. And then it said that where the line x equals to minus intersection with the curve. So the x is minus 1. So we try to put the x minus 1 minus 24 times 3 negative 1 times negative 1 plus 1 of minus 3. So this will be minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 1. Okay, so I got it is 3. So the dy over dx it is 3. So we have the gradient already, it is 3. So remember the equation of tangent is y equals to mx plus c. Of course, we have not known the c, so we have to find the c first. We already know the x equals to minus 1. We have to find the y. So when the x equals to minus 1, the y will be 4 over 3 times minus 1 plus 1 squared. So y equals to this plus 1 minus 2. Minus 3 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So we got y equals to 1. So y equals to 1, and then the gradient it is 3, times with the x is minus 1 plus c. So the c will be 3. So we got the equation of the tangent it will be y equals to 3x plus 3. Oh wait, sorry, it is not plus 3, it is the c is 4. C equals to 4. Okay, that's for number 4.